Are you ready to learn about the wonderful world of jasper? My name is Sheila Satin, and I'm the co-owner here, along with my sister Lisa, at the Satin Crystals Boutique. And today we're going to have an overview on jasper stones, their metaphysical properties, and answer your top 5 questions about jasper. At the end, I will also reveal if you are somebody who could benefit from jasper's healing properties. What is jasper? Jasper is a form of chalcedony crystal, which is formed by microscopic quartz crystals. Jasper is the opaque variety of chalcedony, and it comes in numerous colors and patterns, and it gets these colors from the mineral impurities or the mineral inclusions that form with the chalcedony. The top 5 questions we are going to answer about jasper today are: what are the metaphysical properties of jasper? How do you use jasper in crystal healing? How do you identify jasper? What are the different variations of jasper? And is jasper a bloodstone? What are the metaphysical properties of jasper? Jasper in crystal healing is best known as the supreme nurturer. It helps you during times of stress and illness. When used at your root chakra, jasper helps you ground to the earth, it helps you connect with your purpose in life, and it helps you recharge your physical energy. And you can also use it at the sacral chakra to activate your creativity and your pleasure centers. How do you use jasper in crystal healing? Well, first of all, jasper is one of those slow-acting stones. It has a more slow energy. So after you do clean, charge, and program your jasper for whatever purpose you are looking for, you can have it with you throughout your days so that it will work over time. Now, there's many ways that you can use your jasper stones in crystal healing, and I'm just going to give you 5 ideas here. You can then head on over to the Satin Crystals Jasper Meanings page and find a lot more. First of all, jasper is a great dream recall stone. So if you have some jasper pieces that you can place under your pillow, keep them there at night, and you can better remember your dreams and how they can help you in your everyday life. You can also wear jasper jewelry, bracelets, anklets, necklaces. These are great to help reactivate your energy, especially when you're feeling a little bit weak and lethargic. You can also wear jasper earrings to help balance your yin and yang energy. As we said, jasper is great for both the root chakra and the sacral chakra. So you'll want to use jasper wands to activate these areas. You can use a pointed wand to direct the energy, or a massage wand and massage the area like your lower back. And then you can also, if you have a work desk or you have a space to study, place jasper pyramids or towers there to help you solidify the energy so that you can concentrate on your task at hand. Lastly, if you know somebody who needs a little bit of extra care and love right now, jasper hearts are a great gift because, as we said, jasper is the supreme nurturer. What are the variations of jasper? So you know by now that jasper comes in a lot of colors and patterns depending on what minerals were included when it was formed. There are many different types of jaspers out there. I'm going to show you 5 again, and you can find a lot more at Satin Crystals. So first of all, I'm going to show you Kambaba or crocodile jasper. This actually is not even technically a jasper. It is a crystallized algae from over 2 billion years ago, known as a stromalite. Today, they call it Kambaba jasper. It's a rich green with black markings. So Kambaba jasper or crocodile jasper. You also have Mookaite jasper. Mookaite jasper is only from Australia, and it is best known for its mauve or purplish tones. It also has some other earthy tones. You can see it here on my bracelet. You'll see yellows and creams and reds. So this is Mookaite jasper. There is ocean jasper. Ocean jasper is also very popular. It is only from the coastlines of Madagascar. It comes in a lot of different colors. but the distinguishing feature is that it has concentric patterns, circular patterns throughout the stone, and that's why it's also known as orbicular jasper. You also have a polychrome jasper. Polychrome is a new stone they found in 2006 while they were searching for ocean jasper. And this is also known as a desert jasper. It kind of looks like a painting of a landscape. You'll see the nice swaths of grays and creams and reds in this polychrome jasper. And the last one I'm going to show you here today is the most popular red jasper. Red jasper is one of the only naturally forming red crystals you will find, so make sure that you have this in your collection. Excellent for the root chakra because you're always looking for red for that area. So red jasper it can come in light reds to dark reds. I'll show you this heart here is actually a brecciated jasper. You'll see the red is kind of looks like it's cemented together. That's a brecciated jasper. It has the same properties as red jasper. You can also find other jasper types here that I'm wearing. We have this jasper set that has a sesame jasper, red jasper, and Dalmatian jasper. Dalmatian jasper is also on my necklace. It's actually not a jasper either. You can find out what it actually is at Satin Crystals. You'll see the Mookaite jasper here in a landscape jasper as well. So as I said, many more jaspers. Check them out at Satin Crystals. How do you identify real jasper? So jasper is always opaque. Number one, it is always opaque. If you see some translucency, it's probably a chalcedony, an agate, a carnelian, but jasper itself, you cannot see through. Second of all, jasper is a relatively hard stone. It's a 6 to a 6.5 on the Mohs scale of hardness because it is full of that microcrystalline quartz. It makes it a very tough stone. So you won't be able to scratch it easily with a knife. If you drop it, like I did a few times, unfortunately, during this video on a wood floor, it should not crack as well. Third, because of the quartz content, it should always have a high silica content, which makes up quartz. And lastly, jasper comes in a lot of distinct colors and patterns like I showed you before, so you should be able to easily identify it against other stones. But as I said, there are a lot of jaspers on the gem market that are not actually jaspers, like the Dalmatian jasper, the Kambaba jasper, there's a bumblebee jasper. So in this case, just make sure that you are buying from a vendor who knows the difference between real jasper and what you are actually getting. Is bloodstone a jasper? So bloodstone is an opaque green chalcedony with distinct red chalcedony inclusions. So yes, bloodstone is a form of jasper because it has opaque chalcedony. You might also find other colors within the bloodstone, like the yellows and the whites here. However, this piece is a traditional bloodstone. If the other colors besides red or green were dominating, then it would be called rainbow jasper or fancy jasper, like this donut here. So the donut has other colors that are more prominent, so you will call this a fancy jasper. Are you somebody who could benefit from jasper? So if any of these statements apply to you, you can definitely benefit from jasper. If you are looking for a nurturing, supportive stone, then jasper is for you. If you want to add some pop and color to your wardrobe, all the different colors and patterns of jasper are perfect. If you are looking to open your root or activate your sacral chakra, use jasper. If you want a stone for dream recall, jasper is great as well. And if you are looking for a grounding stone to connect to the earth, to send back some healing energy to the world right now, then jasper is definitely for you. So that is our brief overview about jasper stones today. If you'd like to learn more, come join us at Satin Crystals, and we have a lot more information about jasper, other stones, and you can shop for a variety of jasper crystals. While you're there, join the Satin Crystals VIP Club. It's free to join and you get fantastic benefits. We send out crystal healing information throughout the year. Also subscribe to our videos so that you can be notified of all the upcoming crystal healing videos as well. As always, thank you for your positive energy here at Satin Crystals, and thank you for spreading the light throughout the world.